Hello, everyone. I think that we got kicked out of the meeting, so I apologize and I've restarted. I don't know what happened, but the meeting just kind of closed, so I've reopened it.
Okay, I'm here back on audio. This is Mark.
Sorry about that. Yeah.
We seem to we got kicked out.
Maybe go to webinar issues happening.
That's
Hello, can everybody hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear Derek. Yes, I assume that's Derek.
No, this is Johnny.
Wait,
Good. I don't know what was happening, but I guess webinar is having some issues. Go to webinar, but I am here.
Okay. All right. So I think we were talking to Derek, who was saying they're having trouble. They can't really talk with two monitors or two screens. I didn't quite understand, and since we don't have anybody else here who's one of our regular trainees, I thought maybe we can get to the bottom of that if possible. So I'm going to try to unmute Derek again. Derek, you're unmuted.
Yeah, can you hear us?
We hear you.
Okay, we should be good now. Last week we were having some issues with feedback, but everything seems to be going okay right now.
Excellent. That's what we want. Derek, are you by any chance positioned to show and tell, or you run into any problems?
So we're using my computer right now, and I don't have the hot docs downloaded on my computer. I've been using Maryland's.
Okay. Oh, I see.
A few different computer system sets up. Next week, I'm more than willing to volunteer to present, but I don't think we can do that today with our current tech issues.
Okay. And that was James speaking, I assume?
No, that was Anson here at Kansas Legal Services. He can go ahead and present next week if that's okay.
Okay. Sure. And I don't see your name in the registration list. Is Hanson?
It's A-N-S-O-N.
Anson, sorry. Cool. So, Anson, you're volunteering to present next week.
Yes, I am.
Okay. And is James Jones also part of your program?
He is part of our program. He's not in this office, so I can't really speak to what his current situation.
Okay, because he was our other volunteer, but he doesn't appear to be on this call. All right. So, but while we're at it, did you guys? I know you're not at a computer where you have hot docs installed, so you can't show anything. But did you manage to get through the homework, or run into any issues with the homework or the installation?
I think that the YouTube videos were pretty clear. I was able to get through it all right. What about you, Derek?
Yeah, I completed it as well. It made a lot of sense with the video.
Okay, well, that's a good sign. So let's see. Do you have any concerns or questions about what you've done so far?
Not so far. It seems pretty straightforward.
Yeah, it starts off easy, and by the third or fourth class, it starts to get a little more significantly interesting. Okay, Bart or Claudia or Johnny, anybody have any, or Allison, anybody have anything you want to say or ask?
Not here.
Okay. I think given that and given our sparse attendance, we should just wrap this up today and reconvene a week from today, same time, same bat channel. And we'll focus on the week 2 homework and maybe also the week 1 if anybody's had any challenges. Anson, if you're willing and able to present from a computer with hot docs next week, that would be wonderful.
Okay.
And did anybody else have questions? Everybody got through the homework? People are good?
The only true students are Anson and Derek, and they got through the homework fine.
Okay. Good.
Allison, I'm not sure. I think she'd done the training before, right? So I don't know if she's.
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yep.
Yeah. So I went through this initial homework on the last training, but yeah, no. I didn't have any questions or anything. I was just joining to see if anyone else had any insightful information. So.
Well, we're glad to have you here.
Thanks. Glad to be here.
Okay. Claudia, I think we should wrap unless you've got something else you think we should do today. You were muted.
Sorry. Yeah. No, just this is our time to do the catch up and make sure everybody's staying even keel with the lessons and the training. So no need to belabor, and hopefully we'll connect next week. Same channel. Everybody should be getting reminders from GoToWebinar like an
Yeah.
hour before the call. That's set
Okay.
up automatically. So if somebody's not getting them, let me know, because I can
Right.
also
Hey,
push
Claudia,
them
it's
manually.
Allison. Hey, Claudia, it's Allison. I'm not getting the updates, and so Johnny just asked me to re-register this time. So if you could manually push those to me, that'd be fantastic.
Yeah, I can push them to everyone. Like I can say send reminder to everyone so everybody will get them. So something to do
Yeah.
before, and I think Johnny sent an email to everyone before the call,
Not with
reminding
the
people.
joining link information. Yeah, it was like a reminder, but it didn't have anything to like join the meeting with, like a link to join the meeting.
Ah,
So
okay.
that's what it needs to have.
Okay. So for the next week, Johnny, let's attach the link.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem.
If you could,
I apologize for that, everyone.
yeah, if that could go to everyone. We were also struggling to get on today to find that link.
Okay.
Here we go. That's probably the source. We'll eventually get this right.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you, everyone.
Take care.
Thank you.
Good day.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.